we want to get into then is when I start throwing the variables in. If I'm going to do the greatest common factor of something with a variable, if they have the same variable, you're going to use the lower number. If I have an n and an n to the second, well, this term just has one n, but this one would have n times n, two n's. Well, they only have one in common. So my number, I just do the normal way. Greatest common factor of 12 and 15 would be 3. The greatest common factor of n and n to the second, I use the lower amount because you can't have more than you have. And so 3n would be my greatest common factor. Now number 5, when they did the greatest common factor, we still have the greatest common factor of 15 and 12 being 3, but since the variables aren't the same, they don't have anything in common. So in that case, you just have a number that's your greatest common factor, just the 3. And she picked out some really good ones. And so if I'm finding the greatest common factor of 10n squared and 11x to the fourth, which is on the top of the next page, the greatest common factor of 10 and 11 is 1. And again, the n and the x to the fourth don't have anything in common. So I just get that greatest common factor of 1.